Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Homestead Exemption in Florida. This valuable exemption can significantly lower your property taxes by reducing your home's assessed value. To qualify, you must own and occupy the property as your primary residence on January 1 of the year you apply. The application window is typically from January 1 to March 1, so mark your calendars. Gathering the right documents is crucial for a smooth application. You'll need your Florida driver's license or state ID, along with your Florida vehicle and voter registration cards. Proof of ownership, like your recorded deed, is also essential. Remember to have the Social Security numbers for all applicants readily available to complete the process efficiently. Applying for the Homestead Exemption is straightforward. You'll submit your application directly to your county property appraiser's office. Many counties provide user-friendly online portals, allowing you to complete the process from home. Alternatively, you can apply in person or mail your documents. Always confirm that your application was received and follow up if you don't hear back. The Florida Homestead Exemption offers substantial benefits, potentially reducing your home's taxable value by up to $50,000. This can lead to significant annual savings on your property taxes. Plus, you might be able to port or transfer a portion of your savings if you move to another Florida home. For more great deals, including a link to Darn Tough Socks, check the description below. Always consult your local property appraiser's website for county-specific information and any additional requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.